I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? YouTube. That took me like 4 times to get it right, so appreciate it. It is Luke Elston here with Clean Automotive Detailing, and today we are back with the Honda Fit Engine Compartment Restoration Project, or HFECRP. Yeah, I'll work on that. On the last episode, we dismantled this cowl, sanded and painted it, and it is looking pretty good other than being wet right now. It's pretty much rained here for like 3 months straight, so I'm ready for some sun. So today we are going to dismantle the battery box, clean all the connections, and there is a little like thing that it sits in down there. We're gonna paint the rods, we're gonna grind this down, paint it. If you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're gonna jump right into it. So I'm not gonna waste a whole bunch of time talking because I've got a plan. So I'm going to get the tripod set up and we're gonna get to it. Could you believe that I could not find a 10mm socket? Covered up. I know this isn't a great angle, so I'll make this quick. Okay, that took a very long time, but we've got a pretty good piece. I couldn't get down in there, but if I remember correctly, this is the bottom, so it won't show, and yeah, I'm too lazy to do that. So, gonna clean this off. I'm gonna get those little rods cleaned up, and we are going to get these painted. Not dry. I'm happy with what we got done here. These pieces are looking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera over here, and we're gonna reinstall. Okay, here we are. Didn't quite get as much done today as I wanted to, but we got this battery compartment done, so I guess we can knock one thing off the list. I did clean this up a little bit while I was waiting on the paint to dry. This is stupid. I love Honda, but every once in a while I come across one of these contraptions like this that just, what the hell? Like, I mean, these little hooks are supposed to keep, it's just dumb. It's dumb, and it messed up my paint, and I'm pretty bummed about it. So, you can see right there, I obviously knew that these were gonna come off, but I had to, whatever. So, I guess that's it for the Honda engine compartment restoration project today. Just a couple quick notes. Firstly, I want to thank the follower who sent me these Husky bags. I mentioned in one of my recent videos that I wanted one of these to put my polishers in so that I wasn't putting it in my Husky bags. And y'all delivered. You know who you are. I really, really, really appreciate it. That was awesome. Second point of note is this will be my last video until next Wednesday. I am competing in the South Carolina Lineman Rodeo Championship this weekend, so wish me luck on that. I've got some pretty fun stuff coming up soon. We are heading down to Atlanta to ceramic coat a brand new F-150. That's going to be exciting, and I'm also going to be I'm actually going to be doing some body work on a Honda Accord, so that's going to be interesting. I've never really done that before outside of my own cars. So if you watched my video on the Tesla Model 3 a couple weeks ago, I mentioned that I'm going to have it for a weekend, which I'm pretty excited about. So look for the full review of that car coming out sometime in the middle of April, beginning of May. As always, if you guys like these videos, please like and subscribe and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like me to do next. And just, give me some feedback. If you guys, like what I'm doing, great. If you don't, So that is all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in 1 week after I climb some poles. Power poles.